Asamba ontimi nkase wonni. Eti ukase by force wo gina to manese. Of course you have the majority, we understand.
Yeah.
Ebusian for Ghana MTVGH, make sure like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for there's a lot of conversation. I echo well media no so about our current Chief Justice nominee, Baffoe Bonnie. Now, conversation is around the fact say Baffoe Bonnie, as it stands now, the senior most judge about the number of years I was served here or Supreme Court. And even as at the time Akufo-Addo ever appointed if I say Emame Arabano. Now I can say Baffoe Bonnie now or appointing. Now people sought to create the impression say I say Akufo-Addo pay Baffoe Bonnie asem at the entire 2013 petition. Baffoe Bonnie can Crawford move voting against Akufo-Addo and as a petition. And Akufo-Addo pen asem and all those. Now you see, assembly say, ukoye history more, and I say Ghana history, judicial history more. Just this Fourth Republic in Kwampua. The Chief Justice position has not traditionally gone to always the highest ranking, and I say the highest, the person with the highest number of years or bench also. Debbie. The appointment of the Chief Justice is left in the discretion of the President of the Republic. Meaning, but I'm very much sure as a president who per se, or call for a bill or appeal Scott Crabbe number yes, Chief Justice. That is left in his discretion. And provided, say, Council of State, Emma approval, Parliament, Emma approval, the person becomes the Chief Justice. Now you see, the time that Yemami, Georgina Wood, appointed, there were more senior people on the bench. The time they appointed Yemami Sophia Akufo, there were more senior people on the bench. Same time I appointed Yemami Arabansuno, there were more senior people on the bench. But it is a choice left for the president. And the president considers a number of things. Sometimes we are judge now, you are approaching your, how do you call it, your retirement age. How active can you be? Can you take the pressures, the assignment of a Chief Justice? So all those things are considered. Now we are called appointed Baffoe, but now we say next year or call retirement. She said next year, somebody appointed will be full for somebody Chief Justice. So that person also will go through appointment committee, and they say budget and all those things for the person. Accommodation from man, all those things. A wasting of mine. So that argument, for it does not wash. NASA, unfortunately, NDC for any UP for, including Solomon Owusu, they have been trying to push that narrative down our throat, as if Akufo-Addo has something against Baffoe Bonnie. Akufo-Addo should stop letting him live rent-free in your mind. He has paid his dues to this nation, Akufo-Addo, by being an MP, a minister, a president for 8 years. Emrano Makwa himself will be a president for 8 years, 2 terms. He has been a president for 2 terms. Asa, he has paid his dues. Solomon also, only until dues for our money yet. We have not done anything for this country yet. So please, stop trying in vain self-exaltation Akufo-Addo reputation. Enye Juma. For let's go and see the conversation that went on Angel FM today about the nomination of the new Chief Justice. I'll see you in the next one.
More 2/3 cry. Be a person we be a bit cry to Puno Mama minority Maobi. But me to mining name. I'm Quamunam, commit about careful about NDC for Quanante. Yet I see because Mona Wabem. When you know I am Comma about free, Abayan or Sui, ditch say. The next MPP government, Niama be will see you. But what you say? A power. Na double salary in young members of parliament Gina Cameron Nimcase any a palm and peniacha or crasse and come on penny day. I'm penny fanche. Double salary on fanche. Mimi no man this for him facho. And Brano mo de adwuma de same ran near the adwuma ye. Pini perform ko gina court to sa 8 years. Kana na yante hwe. And then so one day, 3 years, any abasasa, painting us to Ghani and say,
Emra,
ye nipa bia say, ye crati, ye mambo for. As with the New Patriotic Party, among you, I was supporters over 8 million. I don't know about the NDC. Almost will be they will equally have the same number. So I say, because so far, it is the two major political parties in Ghana here.
Yeah.
It is a BB Bonnie here discussing, now as a minority. We have the majority in Tiamamon Kasa. Then there's no business for the members of Parliament of the New Patriotic Party, that's the minority, to sit there and do what? Ask which question? Obisa question because we heard the majority leader said, "Oh, see a fine man, pa. Onu say untantina se. Minim dia ya. See the young kono
Also, minority leader name be breaking rules be.
Also, man me be or kasa cross or man kasa.
Or say unique.
And run on kwa that day majority leader ya PR for CJ. Enim someone am de ne ba ye gitum ye ntimi nya ho hwe but what man say it the air kan kwa na monte ase okay ne ye be say because mo announce say obeba vetting e enra no you raise concerns 2 days before enra no obeba it there are a lot of things that could have been looked at and sana vetting no cry day akoso
yes
but since majority have their way more masamo mo de mo samo we understand. But kamuma ye listening ear kakra na muntie de ye ka even though de ye ka no momfa matena wo kasa fidie so matena ba bia ka se wo ya ban na wo refuse criticism wo be kwa akodi chi hu and it is only responsible opposition party na betimi criticize. I quite remember when we were in power na school for bi kosra his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo
right
and akolaba akosori say mampani or canabrofo. Some crofo criticize us, yes, how we are day. And or say of criticism. Now, what do you want? My dear, said, the oya enye, Ghana for any home, no, what's now, o mani bufua, entimi mana memoning a day, and conanim. And Cabasra pass and Sankianum and this 4. On which be and Cabeboy, 7 years, vegetable, my dear. Yenny vegetable, we understand perfectly. But sa pa say, your maun kasa and your maun carry minority leader. He's been in parliament for so long.
Yeah.
Only when to break the rules and when not to break the rules. It took us a me break the rules that never wow baby break.
Because we no mummy na plan na say so ready ground.
Of course, yes. Said you know your chat said you my achi. The ultimate say party be where you be ultimate predict ultimate assume. Most of the time as a politician, we live on assumptions and it works for you. Will be plans why particularly why you cha.
Exactly.
They've been in the house for a very long time. So they understand themselves, they understand each other. Yeah. They understand the things that each of them could do at that material moment.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Brofo no bamo.
It be so minti brofo.
Wa mo kai.
Brofo no.
Obi a ko school abrochi.
And there be it's your best from so man say now they've have their way now them dear mama eyemi hu won say na be say Baffoe Bonnie
yes
say adenti no jeli atai 70 years Saddick me no we will not sit here and accept say obi a wabotuo obi a wakun obi a robbery nti wadi obi dem obi anya problem because of obi robbery okoye nti no ya chena yebeka say bi ayanka ho asem Saddick eno kra de nka enya de papa because wadi ewu mamra no de mra na kire no de ye adwuma na so owura no pa abetu no mutuo say me jailing 70 years because that time no be pie beba no afrim. So I had my family's interest at heart. Me put my family first. So it means that she CJ no anidium with due respect. One go by the constitution, I say your mom ran a BI de be name ni interest.
Some okay in a context.
In a context, of course, yes.
Context.
But say a mere on say communication, no mammy travel. Obeshes you to attend the office yet microphones yet to sit behind microphone and speak to people. Speak to the understanding of the ordinary people. So Betty say It's not easy.
Asem no one communicating a year.
Exactly my point. So can me draw me point in you and
because
it's in this and coach because so jelly no near dia. Say one man a choir bed down for people are drawing certain way into it. A bit more casa would do emotions and now the year you had your personal interest. And of course, so a judge would do some him say I hadn't criminal. Hadn't criminal, be a bit me happy. And mind you, or demono, then grow for some okay, or TV, or power. And I was listening to an ex-convict, no yam drop, or Kodemaba. And some are Kwanekano. I want to do me phone because of I'm so people run me window no more. Oh, I love when to be tissue, the honorable, we are special, or lie, Madam Catcher, we are special. Oh, my children. It's all channel, they said, no, kind. Omicrophone, it's a fine. Because I'm saying, or Johnny Hacker got trimming her. And on the Baba and I are the boy, you need to square or trimming Hannah somehow. It's okay, we are more yours than Yabasa. Ebia, in all throughout your vetting, be a throughout your vetting, everything went on well.
Yeah.
Oh, ye minority in 10 years, maybe I say, ye situation in the 20 years. Ebia be out, Kawan Kakranke. I mean, what DB, what's oh, dear, Minua, Jumanache. So what's the demon? As some buggy, you know, be a cabin.
Yeah,
I've done comms for 15 years. But me tiedu obi abeka me tie ho Saddick Adams obeka honorable betan asem obeka de solo ebeka ono ne tai kra na adwuma yefo no e told you na ni abroad ho bufo nyina beka sa the other radio stations the Ghana public na eka and son after 1 week no me mahunu nyesa me nim de me beka ho
yeah,
but the third day am prepare ye ho nkasa so de bia me catch my colleagues so be trash shows you be some na ni bibi kan what I want for some crab, let's stress next week, maybe I said it be a form of communication.
Okay.
And yeah, papa no need team. But Justice Baffoe Bonnie dissent in 2021. He said I remember why I brand you. Because that time 30 years ago, Kurana could grow old. And I know no court Baba for me. We meet me at him contact. Say we are to be any call. It's Obenya Pan Kawanka. Honestly. Because said the why am renim for.
But Jennifer said, Papaya the judge from magistrate court.
So of course, you are right free baby.
Or judge lawyer biano, nipa be say no besha no baby o co school. Ne kwaya ofaso arising. Now ababe chief justice. Say only the senior most and anko na ye dinaba.
Yeah. Yeah,
wakone vetting na ye nya bibia anka say hardened criminal send unim say or send
no na wotie ameba of course yes so wakum nipa but the tie ni e ho na wo senka we no ye papa na mo fa papa ya kokrant wo be mo fa ma me nua pani ama ma nua be e ho na wo senka ye smart so we there is not part of
Oman busano
na ye na betom
Oman busana about sentencing regime kwaya ifa so di nipa to prison na ye ma na
to be amo ataidi
dabi ono na se o kire se o ye high court judge no sentence atayi se
no ono na meka unya ntemase unsa o mu bisa se o sentence nipa no kra no wanye specific say bi atayi wa na obe mention say o fa atayi ya mfa se no the years am the man 70 years na say ni say bi obeba kra na mente ase me man 30 something years a obekwa aba sisi a obeba na meto obetimi abobo metu eno no ye wo personal interest yeti we eniyama wo ye tirimu no enye ni nyina na ye kan
yes
bra eniyama ado ani hu asamanyoni wodo wani hu enenye nyina na furu wanu mu ba ye wo sa wo ye de wo ka because wo ka wi a wo sa gum from am trust ne ba ye din and now people are communication to ho no nchiremu ne ye be edu 10 people are now going to dissect by set no omo no so de omo nso nchiremu aba they say the okoye ni nyina na no na ye discuss in the media. Now show what Juma waye ni yes. Na se o hwe se ekoba se on ma me kire no.
Ba ko pa.
Na ma bi akoye nra ni nyina anye fem. Ne mom no. Majority na ntie aban ntie yasem. Ade bi ye ne bi asamanyosem wo ho a enwuye. Amanyosem nhye de. Ekwa ebesan ba. Mo no ba kwa.
Be san na.
Kwa ebesan ba. Ayensan no. They say o ma kire ni ma bebiro.
Odisi e ba.
Kwa ebesan.
No kwa the first time ade bia na osere ni aje.
Such are not.
Yes a smile.
Chairman want to me there no. Let me state it. Me say or how any abebresa ye di chairman FM wo no. Watu job. Na nienti me kansa ne se watu man job arehu ne wo bible ma ye nyina anim now nipa ba ko ya freeze the pickups. You're seizing the pickups. You're seizing the excavators. You're freezing the bank accounts. You're freezing the bank accounts. You're freezing the mobile money. What you say? You're freezing the mobile money. Now, a friend is saying, CID. Yes, so on report to her every 2 weeks. Or Tony D was CID on Fabuku no Enko High Court. And Fanco register and say, why yes, I didn't. Nipa bako ya dine passport. Etimi no mi enu etie. Se tokwa bi si asesi a wuntimi entimi ntu kwan. Ya sa de ne picture up to all border towns. E wo Ghana ha nyina. Ote de ayeka na se. Now, osa report e wo Yoko every 3 days. Yoko for akwasisa de cars nyina o. Nti se wuntimi e court agi se okohan car e ne court. Ote ase. Na no dia mesante ye de. Yakosisa wuntumi ntare ye nyina. Ntaria ene ne mpabwa Yoko ni siadi omakotisa enti sesia no wuntumi ti hoi ne ntaria yasesa ne mpabwa onzo okokoto a ohyehyehye t-shirt chema enim no wuzo pam kaftan kama bia no wacha ne che yakosisa ne nyina so me kasansem wei ama yensem na ho enemu a yebubobubomudin. What you say? Minya Soroka, and we are forest. Okay, forest na woman so no so eh. Nyina hini so how you turn on rivers. What you say? Baby ye ninam a you call nonguni ade ade ninam a ye 2 galamsi ye nyina ye hu bie no. How you turn on numri forest. Inti asemo a 2022. Yes, Minister Aka. The same period na the President of the Republic ebe can say onye any illegal mining. The President kasa na Minister kasa why asem ni fatie me can kire wo say your time any woman adwin omabo efa wuntumi ho no oh na when who say yetimi consistent crofon ntare yes mo pese wo bodam ana mo pese wuntumi wo bodam
wuntumi nkwa na MPP ni ade no nkwa na
ade bisa won se kotu bien se ma ye Kenya lute allegation
ye bisa ye ho ne
kotu bien wo wakasi ye nkwa ye sa na mo no ye kotu bisa
den no ye
me se bisa se den wa ye encroachment there it's all over. Yet the concession mawa.
Are you justifying that?
I'm not justifying anything. But yet the concession mawa yemboni beden kotu baranda so anopanu akubim. Encroachment ewo babia. What the aya can say? Hey, upa bisa headmasters are ewo schools mu ewo ha. Ube their problem, the major problem of every headmaster bia or basic school bia encroachment. Anadu beba no na nipa na ade ne container na besi wo beba na bi kura sidan and want to me wrote a letter to them to the ministry say encroachers aba na yi so eti ye bia na Erastus wo kono wo ko share sa encroachment but because say enimu say eye wuntumi ayinti no ene eye ne sa but me de me come obi atene say or how near bebre say they want to be fam no me feel say nya ne kwan so what you say because in some ye can fa no hu nyina no ya allegation including the minua solo a oka god wo yi ye god ayira oyi god wo god ayira e na ye nyi god ye hu atoyen obi anyi god ye hu atoyen otan what you say ntina me ka jo say ade na wo mu wa yi god eti e be kire no and I think he say mo hwe yie because ene wo describe say mewura ahui wan hwe a table ni tene a na ozu besun esutani a ebe che me de what you say because ukura de wanya appointment o wuntumi de woni appointment bi on adwuma a oye ene wo ye what you say because the same adwuma as mine no Ibrahim Bahama ene yesi ye de black voter ama no black voter ndi nuansi ho black voter no woduru ho a odi Mose puma ne bi kire so a na emu abiebie ne wanya asase kese ne watu ne wode kɔ ne de no saa na te ana sente saa de a onhwe yie onkai ensem a ye kafa wuntumi hu seisei wo ma ye bubo bomu din so no